back to Bafana Bafana versus Cameroon. Ngiyaphinda futhi, we like to put ourselves under unnecessary pressure. Wathi uNgezana uyaphi le nebhola cause uyazivalela. Play the ball to the keeper. Beka ukuthi wenzani? Ushaya itamaya. What are you doing? What are you doing? Now we are under pressure. We can't play out because bammakile and naye umakekile. He can't come here azothola ipass. We end up doing what? Sikhahlela ibhola phambili. Boom. Okay, Sharp. Okay, Sharp. It's our ball. Wenzani? Isandla ebusweni. Umuntu did that. Bathola ipenalty. Wenzani uNgezana? Isandla ebusweni. It's a free kick. Now, we gave away free kick unnecessary, right? Unnecessary free kick. Corner kick. So, maybe uyazibuza ukuthi, why am I showing you this? Because abakoranga nge-free kick. But isibuze wena ukuthi, had we not given away a free kick, bebazoyithola i-corner kick na? Just ask yourself that question. There was no need for us to concede a free kick. That's why we conceded the corner kick. After the corner kick, kwenzakalani? Bayakora. Cameroon was nowhere, bafethu. Okay, Sharp, as analyze Elana, this is the guy that ends up scoring the goal. I can't blame Awas Lapaya because he went to go and press ukuthi uplock iball. But ngiyaphinda futhi guys. Tina, we like to do unnecessary things. Sisifake under pressure. There was no need for uNgezana lapaya ukuthi ayenze lento ayenzile. Abanye beni nizomkhulumela ngoba niyamthanda, but the fact is a fact.